This is a 2016 Ford Mustang, and I'm going to attempt a cold start because I need to take the car to the dealer. It is right now minus 22 Celsius, so let's see how this goes. Oh, I don't think I have the keys here. So we are now inside. This car has not been started in over 3 months. So let's see what happens.
The tailbone's connected to the heel bone. The heel bone's connected to the ankle bone.
Fail the first attempt. Here we go. Beauty. So now we're getting ready to go. The car seems to be running fine. It's very cold though. Temperature, it has been running for about 5 minutes now, and the temperature has not even moved an inch. So I'm going to attach the camera and we're gonna go.